While some of our clients come in after they've built a home or bought a home, they want to furnish the entire space. That is typically not the case. Most of our clients build their dream home one room at a time. I have a great example of this with a client who came to us in 2018, who had a list of things that he wanted to accomplish for his home.
Our client has great style and a clear vision of what he wanted to accomplish. The master bedroom was the first project on his priority list of rooms that he wanted to create to reflect his personal style.
So what we did is we installed an upholstered bed, some nightstands, lamps, some beautiful artwork over the bed. Stacy created a beautiful bedding story and rug, and it is just absolutely wonderful. This room is so important in our homes. It is the first place we see in the morning and the last place we see at night. And it makes all the difference in the world to have a beautiful space. So the second big project that we tackled for our client was the basement, which had turned into basically a catch-all for all that old furniture we no longer like or want. And we ended up putting it in the basement and trying to create something out of it. And the space essentially becomes unused. So this is absolutely one of my favorite transformations that we've done. It is bold, it is decidedly masculine, it looks moody. It's a place that I would want to be, and I would imagine we're going to have a ton of people at a Super Bowl party next weekend. But as you can see, it's just very clubby, has a great vibe to it, lots of patterns, prints, different seating areas throughout the space. It is hard to imagine that this is even the same space. Just a couple weeks ago, our client came back in about his upstairs living room. He's kind of feeling like he wanted to change the artwork or change something because it just wasn't kind of feeling the way he wanted it to. He also had a dual need of doing something with a little room in the basement that had turned into another catch-all area. And he thought it would be nice to have something in there that someone could potentially, sleep or go and read a book, just an area, a soft, cozy place. So Stacy had the great idea of taking a piece that he had in his upstairs living room, repurposing that down into the bonus room, which worked out beautifully, and then installing a couch and a few other pieces to give the upstairs living room a whole new look. And I think you agree it looks fabulous. This client has lovely pieces throughout the house, things that are just unique and different and so suit his personality. So you can create your dream home one room at a time. We always like to advise our clients to stop buying a bunch of little things that you can spread in rooms throughout your entire space. Instead, pick one room and complete it fully so you can really enjoy the experience of having that room, and then move on to the next. We hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we shall see you next week.